Oh, there it is. I bought this Black Friday. Well, I don't know if you want to call it Black Friday because I bought this for $104, but with tax it's $114 from Best Buy. Check that out. DDR, 216 gigabytes, 32 gigabyte, 3200 megahertz. Look at that. Vengeance. This is desktop. This isn't the laptop. This is desktop because I remember I did the laptop one. So, yeah. Look at that. I'll check on that. So, look at that. You know what it's going into? Ta-da! So what we're going to do is, see, man, we're going to wait till that goes off. Because I know I got a light. Where's my light? Where's the light? Oh, here we go. Okay, hold up. Where is my light? Oh, there it is. See? So we got to take these two out. Now this is a 16 gigabyte. I put this in 2020. Now, those are XPGs, 8 gigabytes. So we're going to take these out and put this Corsair Vengeance in. So let's start that. We got to flip this over, unplug, unpower everything off, and we're going to flip it over, put it in there. Okay, so let's pull these out. These were separated. So let's, that one. And that one. Let's pull it out. You see what it looked like. See? This is what it was in here. I got this in 2020. You've seen the video. But if you haven't, just look on my YouTube channel. So we're pulling this one out. Let's pull this other one out. And this motherboard, everybody knows an MSI. Oh my God, I'll be forgetting. MSI. Gaming, plus I gotta read it. Oh, MSI MPG Z490. So here's the other one. Now let's put the other one in. We gotta unbox it though. Get that light off. Okay. Because I took the stick tape off. Because I always have problems putting the stick tape off. There it is. There it is. Vengeance. Look at that. You see Vengeance. Vengeance on this puppy dog. Okay. Let me first hold up. Let's put it there. Flip the box. Is there anything in here? Just your manual and stuff. Just your manual. So, yeah. There you go. Get a good green shot. Okay. Let me say something before I do this. DDR4 from 8 gigabytes to 64 to 128 gigabytes. Well, no, let me say this, because 64 is still high. But 32 on down gigabytes, they're going on sale because see, they have to now try to move all of DDR4 because DDR5 is out. So they're trying to put like 8 gigabytes up to 32 gigabytes on sale. But 64 and 128, them things are not going on sale no time soon. So that's why this was cheap, because this is, like I said, 32 gigabytes at 3200 megahertz. Now we're gonna overclock. I'm gonna overclock it because the 16 gigabytes I had in here was 266 megahertz, and I pushed it all the way up to 333 megahertz. But we're gonna see what this thing can do. But first we got to install it though. So hold on and let's install it. First I need the light. Hold on, because I gotta hold the camera right. And now we gotta figure out which way. We gotta first put this one into the first one. Look where this first one is. You see it? It's right here, up under this fan. So let's see. It might can go. Let's see. Oops. Wait a second. Gotta move you, buddy. Move over. I want you to fall in there and do something. You see, you can't see my hand. You can't see because my hand is in the way. Ooh, we got a problem, I think. Oh no, wait a minute. Let me get the other button. There we go. Now, yeah, that's the first one. Okay, let me look at my notch here. Let's see if I got the right notch. I don't think I do. You know, I don't remember. Well, let me first say something. Let me put it in. Yeah, because it's at the end. But hold up. Let me see if I can get it in this one. Well, I don't need to put it in this one. Because you know what the problem is going to be? Is that fan is in my way. That fan, so hold on. Oops. Okay, so if I push try it, and we put 4,000, and let's see what happens. So it crashed. Looking at it says previous settings, overclock settings fail, system boots. I'm gonna take it right back. Okay, so it didn't work. Let's try Boom, 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 boom. Let's try, you know what, let's try 3500 since they don't want to push it so hard. What, 30 per thousand. And let's try this 36. Yeah, let's try 36. Let's see. Nope, did not work. It failed. Taking us back. Okay, that didn't work. Boom, boom, boom. 36. Okay, let's try this one. Man, what's going on with this thing? Ooh, memory overclock fail. Dum, 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 dum. Ooh. Okay, so that ain't working. Let me see something. Okay, let's try it. I know this is taking long. Y'all gotta just rewind and fast forward. I'm just testing this out, see what it can do. See what the engine can do with new memory. Oh, fail again. Hold on. Okay, so we put it back at 333 megahertz. Let's see. Because see, that's what the 16 gigabytes was pushing just by itself. So we're gonna see. Because the motherboard might not can push hard stuff. Because remember, this was a 2020 model. Ooh, fell again? What the hell? Okay, DDR. This thing ain't even moving. Okay, 33. Okay, now it says 32. DDR. Let me try and see if that's going to work. Because that's what it is. Damn. Memory overclock fail. Jeez. Oh, damn it, I missed it. Why is it stuck to 2100 megahertz? Hold on. Okay, so it's at 333. Oh, let me show you something. I have to push this profile to push it to this. Now we're gonna try one more thing. We're going to see if we can push it to 4000 again. Let's see if we can get it to 4000. Where is it? 4000. That's a big chunk. That's a big chunk. Well, let's see if it'll crash it. If it crashes, then I'm gonna try to get out of that 33, because 33 was the 16 16 gigabytes. So this is 32 gigabytes. I'm trying to do some speed a little faster than this. I know this is a long video. Let's see, will it crash it? Yep, it crashed it. Okay. We're gonna try 36, and that's it. That's it. We're gonna let it get to 30. We're gonna get to 36. See? Look at that. It put it back to where it was. Okay. So it's not the 4000s. 4000 just not cutting it. We're gonna try 36. If I can get to 36. Where's 36? Nope, I'm over. 36, 36, 36, 30, 34. It could be somewhere around here. So let me try this one. Let's try 3400. I'm gonna try 3400. If it stays at 3400, and you can get it 35, then that's it. I think it's really 35. I think 3500 might be the highest. Okay, I think it is 3500. Anything past that is just gonna crash it. Now realize this is new DDR. Hold on. Okay, we put 3500 on it. 3500. Let's try it. 3500. If it's 3500, then that's it. It ain't going no bigger. It ain't getting no bigger. We're gonna leave it at 3500. And it froze. Yep, it froze. Well, that's it. That's as high as it's going for us. 3400 with this on, with this boost on. And cut it off. Let me see. Oh, guys, I got to go. Got a police chase. And a big truck, too. So, let me hook this, because I got to use this computer for this chase. Man, I swear to God, something tells me to stay my butt in the house. Let me show y'all a little bit. So I gotta put that on my another YouTube channel. So, follow it. That's my truck, dog. Where we at? Well, it's in Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department. I know that shit is nerve-wracking. Okay, hold on. Okay, y'all, so that's it. This is what I got. And that's it.